Now rolling in behind is lot 349.1, a 55 Chevy 150 two-door post, and so much more.
Well, remember the movie American Graffiti? This is kind of a recap of that. And of course, two-lane blacktop, the Primer 55, the Dennis Wilson. Fantastically done gasser. Let's have a peek with the Chevrolet chassis cast and this cool Chevy 150. Now, of course, we see the underside, and there's that awesome 502 big block, header snaking all around, turbo 400. I prefer a 4-speed, that's okay. Open drive, correct primered floorboards, dual exhaust, feeding into a Ford 9-inch rear axle. Neat piece, I love it. Less is more.
Yeah, when you look
That was our chassis cam, brought to you by Chevrolet.
Yeah, I was just going to say, simple is better, and that's really the key with this. When you look at this, they haven't gone overboard in so many areas, in particular in the interior. They've left the stock dashboard, but they've taken out the back seat, put in some simple buckets. They've got a nice satin look to the outside. Once again, very, very nicely done for a gasser-style hot rod.
Look at the dashboard, at the Radio Delete plate. That's one of several on the 150. That's what you got, sort of a starburst in the middle. Bel Air's had a miniature bow tie effect going on, but less is more, and this is a great little example of just a gasser, kind of a hot rod that would have been seen in the late 50s, early 60s before customizing. Again, less can be a lot more. Now, keep in mind, the 150 has a larger greenhouse, the actual glass area and roof, than a Bel Air. So if it looks a little bit long and strange, remember, it's not a Bel Air, it's a 150 two-door.
So, $37,000. Lot number 350.
That rings the bell for $37,000. Good price. And a couple of well-known collectors up there on the front row. John Salupi, Dale Ledbetter. Still to come, don't forget.